How much money do you need when buying a house? Many buyers are afraid that they are going to require thousands and thousands of dollars in down payment money to purchase a house here in Morris County. Hi, I'm Claudia with Coldwell Banker, and there's no one better when buying or selling your house here in Morris County than myself to guide you through the process. Did you know that there are many loan programs and possibly even grants available to home buyers today? Some of those loan programs that are out there today only require 3, maybe 3.5% down, or maybe no down payment at all if you qualify, and it depends on what area you're looking in. So, if you're still renting and only dreaming of home ownership because you're unaware of the programs that are available to you, give me a call. I'll walk you through each step. I'll recommend my lender who I trust, and they will guide you through the mortgage financing process and help you determine what loans you qualify for, because after all, that's the first step in achieving your dream of home ownership. What do you have to lose? Give me a call. I'm Claudia with Coldwell Banker, and who you work with matters.